The majority of these sightings were located in Tokyo. It is said that some things may have disappeared out of thin air. This leads us to conclude that we are being watched by. We do not know their intentions. However, we must prepare for the worst. Do not go outside. Stay indoors until this warning is lifted. Ensure all your doors are locked and all the windows are closed and boarded up, if necessary. If you hear unusual sounds nearby, locate to an underground shelter, or the safest place in your house. If you are not currently in a shelter, please seek one immediately. Make sure you have stocked up on necessary supplies, such as food, water, etc. It is safe to go outside.